What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and today I got a product I'm going to bring to you. This is the Faxon Outdoors 30-liter submersible backpack. So this thing, ridiculously waterproof, or at least that's what it claims. Recently, if you've been watching the news, part of that tropical storm, Debbie or whatever it was, that came up through the coast, came directly through where I live in North Carolina. At least it was a tropical storm. We had about 24 hours, I would say, of heavy, significant rain. I put some clothes inside this pack, and I moved the pack around in a couple of different places where rain was coming down pretty significant on my property, and I had it outside in that storm the whole time. I'm going to add those clips here. Alright, so now I've collected, or the next day I've collected the backpack, and we're going to open it up and see if the items I put in are dry. So I just put in some sweatpants, they're completely dry, not a single speck of moisture on them, and a shirt here from Battle Horse Knives, and it is completely dry as well. And the inside of this pack is completely dry. So what I wanted to do was at least just go ahead and show you the pack. It's made out of that really good, like what you would see basically your dry bags are made out of, that really thick, almost kind of rubbery feeling material, as well as all these latches that are on it. You have pockets and things like that. The zipper has that kind of you can tell it's made to be waterproof. I don't know exactly what the zipper is. It's called a T-zip. Has a nice little T handle on it, so you can really get that grip, I guess. So if your fingers were wet, you can zip it all the way down. And then it also has this little deal here. Once you really latch it in to really make that waterproof, then you're gonna put the T-zip handle into that little loop to just try to ensure that that thing stays where it needs to increase that waterproof. This is the Faxon Outdoors Icon backpack. Has padding on the back, has your standard straps, has some we'll say MOLLE cut in. Also has a emergency whistle on the strap. Has some distant sound to it. And then you also have your waist straps with pockets inside of here. So in all reality, you could use this as a good general backpack, but I think it would be best used as, say, if you were doing your canoe, kayak, thing like that, and you could have your overnight gear inside of here, or any kind of that emergency equipment. I think it would also work really good if you were trying to use this as, say, your go bag, because you don't necessarily know what the weather's going to be like when you have to use that go bag. And by having something like this that's completely submersible and waterproof, you know, that would be a great option for a go bag to keep your gear dry in the event that, say, a storm's coming and you gotta get out of Dodge. There's a feature. It's a feature-rich backpack. So anyway, I highly recommend this product, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below if that's something you guys are interested in checking out. It looks like it's really high-quality gear and very well made. So if you're looking for a good waterproof submersible backpack, this could be a great option for you. I would also say if it's submersible, that means that it has to be completely waterproof, to where you could put it under the water and it actually not absorb any of that water. So I think that if it was filled with air, as it is from empty space, seems like it would almost work as helping with floatation as well, because if you could submerge it and it not take in the water, then that also means it should still hold the air that's inside of it as well. So just the thought, haven't tested that, but it did hold up well to a significant tropical storm being left out into my yard and placed around in a couple different places to make sure this thing was heavily poured on and everything inside of it completely dry. So if you guys are, again, looking for a high quality waterproof backpack, I would definitely recommend this pack. I'm going to leave that link in the description box below, and if that's something you're interested in, pick one up for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.